Good morning! It's December 1st and it's Vlogmas Day 1. So today, I plan to start decorating. And, but before that pala, I'd like to share our shopping vlog and haul video. If you're interested, please continue watching. Okay, so let's start with the first bag. So as you can see, this is a red bag. It has a sale word and it's from Ikea. So first bag. By the way, Ikea sale is going on and it will end until I think December 31. So if you'd like to visit Ikea, it's the best time to go there now because they have sale. And if you're a kababayan, I think Ikea Philippines is now open. Yun lang, it's too crowded. I've seen some vlogs and haul videos from Ikea Philippines. So just be patient. I think you really need a lot of patience kasi ang haba nga ng pila and it really takes you hours before you go inside or before you go will finish your line sa cashier. Anyway, let's start this video. So the first product, the first item is this pillow. It's baliktaran. So this is the red part and this is the white part. Ang tawag dito is, ang name niya is Malin Maria. Malin Maria. So this is 40 by 40 centimeters. It has cushion already. So when you buy this, magkasama na sila yung cushion and yung pillowcase. Yan. So this one, very Christmassy. I like the colors red and white. So by the way, the price for that one is 9 reals. Next item or next product is this one. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong bilhin to, as in. This is Bensas. So ano siya, board or letter board. Naka-sale lang yung this peach color. The gray one, it's not on sale. So I got this for 29 reals. Now let's go to the next bag. Here. So what's inside? Okay, this one is organizer, box organizer. And ang name niya is Nabig. I hope you can see it. There, it says Nabig. So these are wooden boxes. 4 pieces siya. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then, the next one is, yan. For the Christmas party, I bought this one. Oh, the price for that one is, for this one, sorry, I forgot. Price for this one is 29 reals. It used to be 50 something reals, 50 plus reals. And then this one, fantastic. Yan, so ano lang siya, tissue, 24 by 24 centimeters. So ilang peraso to? 50 pieces. And so I will be using this for the Christmas party. Yan, sa bahay. And then because gusto ko mag-decorate na Christmassy, so yan, naka-sale din tong pillow, what we call it, covers ng pillow cushion. So ang name niya is ang hirap sabihin. Ayan, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Yan. So ang size nito is 50 by 50 centimeters. So ang design niya lang is parang red flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers. Pero red flowers and then blue yung base, base color. Yan. So I got this for 7 reals before it's like 20 something, 21. Yan. So I got 2. Okay, so the next one is this Winter 2021 table runner. Yan. So, again, red. Kasi Christmas. So, we'll be using this again during Christmas Eve. So, when I decorate the table, I'll be using this one. So, this is Winter 2021 table runner. And this cost 13 reals. Before, I think this is 25 reals. Yan. So, next items are, so, these eco bags. Ang dami. So, I got, I think, 7 pieces. 7 pieces. Yan. And this cost only 2 reals lang siya. So, these are very useful, no? And I'm planning to give this give this to friends. So, para maging sustainable din tayo somehow. Ayan. So, if ano rin, pwede din gamitin pag nag-grocery or if you lalabas kayo and then just put it in your bag. You'll never know when you're gonna use it. So, I'm planning to give this away to where did you go? My son is here. Say hi. Nandito lang siya. Medyo namumulit. Pero behave naman siya. Behave! Okay. So again, ito, eco bags. Like, siya yung nagta-thumbs up kanina sa gilid. Yan. So, the name here, the name for this one is Skin or Skyn. I don't know how to say this. Yun. Anyway, that's Skyn. So, ano siya, eco bags. So, again, original price for that is 5 reals and now it's only 2 reals. Yan. So, tapos na tayo sa second bag and last but not the least, the third bag. Yan. So, nandito yung medyo babasagin. So, let's start with this one. This is a lantern. You can put the tea light candle inside. Pwedeng artificial, pwede din yung magnetic ba to? Ayan. Pwede din yung real tea light candle. So ang name nito is, hindi naman nakalagay dito. Ba name niya? Ayun, N-rum. I hope yun nakikita nyo. N-rum. Yan. So, this is only 10 reals. Yan. So, again, I'm gonna use this pag Christmas Eve, Christmas party, and yan, for decoration. I'm sorry kung medyo nag-change yung lighting. Kasi paano na dito pag it's hapon already, paggabi na. Ayan, and I'm filming this at just around 3 p.m. and medyo dumidilim na dito na part. And so anyway, this one is 10 reals and the original price for this I think nasa 20 something reals. Yan. Winter din ba to? Parang winter din to, no? So, let's put it here, the back. And then, of course, I want to add another touch of Christmas. Poinsettia. So, this one is just an artificial flower decoration. Yan. So, this is 3 reals lang. Before, this is 5 reals. So, lagay ko na sila doon. And then, eto naman, green bottle. So, this is also in the line of Winter 2021. So, this is just a plain green bottle that you can put your... How do you open this? I don't know how to open this. Anyway, you can put here like oil or vinegar or some sauces or whatever you like, juice. Yan. So, ano lang siya. So next item, naputol yung kanina. Automatic naputol yung from the camera. Anyway, next item is this one. Null Cold Nap. Yeah, so this is a Christmas tree. Sobrang liit na Christmas tree made from acrylic glass. Yan, and this is light. This lights up, I mean. So yan. So this lights up and you can put batteries there. This is battery operated. Yan. Yan. So it lights up. So matagal ko nang gustong bilhin to. I've been wanting to buy this since like around October, November when they started selling yung mga Christmas decors. Yan, but it was very pricey. So finally, it's sale. So I got this for only 17 reals. Before, I think nasa mga 30 plus siya. 30 or basta less than 50 reals. If I'm not mistaken, nasa mga 30 something siya or basta yun. Anyway, so this one is a Christmas light up, parang light up decoration. Christmas tree light up decoration. Yan. So what else? Did I miss something? Wala naman siguro. So, ayun. I hope you like all the items na na-haul ko. And please tell me which one from these items that you like or you are planning to buy as well. Put them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. If the things that you like are not from this haul, but it's from Ikea, just tell me. And I'd love to read them. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this haul video. I won't say goodbye yet kasi meron pang video later. So I'll just see you later.